Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today something very nice called Torresmo. It's Brazilian dish, but it's quite international. You can find in the Brazilian restaurant or somewhere else. But it's super easy. It's nothing. The time is very short to do, and it's super tasty. I show you what we need. We need pork belly with skin. We need some salt, pepper, and this one going first in the oven and later deep fried. Original is deep fried in dripping in the lard, pork fat. But if you don't have that, you can use vegetable oil. Okay, now we start and I show you the first step. First step is just, well, I want to do one thing first. This one I recommend you cut in two. Beautiful. And two. Later you're gonna understand why. The oven already is on 200 degrees. We need that. But in the oven as well, it's not obligatory. You can fry it straight away. But I recommend you around half an hour, 40 minutes in the oven, because we make soft meat. It's more nice, okay? And when you do that, the Torresmo is my friend Angelo. He is a Brazilian chef. He recommended me that. He's right this time. Okay, salt and pepper. Massage. Other side. Salt. Again. Okay. Now in the oven, normal tray, some paper, it's you see, and a little touch the oil, olive oil, nice one, massage, always, massage. Okay guys, now this one going in the oven 30-40 minutes, not more, because we're gonna fry it. We don't need it gonna cook properly. 200 degrees is already enough, half an hour. Okay? Ciao, see you later. The belly is ready. Exactly half an hour, 30 minutes. Now I show you what we're gonna do now. It's time to put the oil or lard in. It turn on. I put some dripping inside. Start now because we want to do another job. Now guys, very easy. We take the belly and we're gonna do this. This is already 10 minutes is out from the oven, that's why you know. Now put like that and cut in pieces, not more than that. Like this. Everything. Cut. Okay? I put in the plate. This is I told you is very easy. Cut everything. Just show the lard start be. Okay, cut everything. Well, I don't want to be long. Couple minutes. I cut all this. When the oil is ready, I show you the last step. Okay, guys, the oil is ready. Start put the belly inside. Not more than 5 minutes. I show you. Look. Careful with the splash everywhere. Now, when this the first belly is ready, I show you. I gonna be precise later, but not more than 5. I'll be precise later. Guys, when it's like this, exactly 5 minutes is ready. Okay? They put in the plate and the best way to eat this is very nice hot, but the best to try the Torresmo is when it's cold. Okay, but anyway, I'm going to fry all this stuff and see you later when we're gonna test it. Okay? Okay, guys, the job is done. The Torresmo belly, I like called Torresmo, is ready. And this one, guys, is very nice. If you eat cold, you can put some sesame seeds on the top. You can put some, if you like, some lemon juice on the top, coriander or spring onion. Your fantasy, you can do anything you like. But guys, the moment, this was the first one, it's not the last one. Eh? The moment to try is ready. Yeah? Oh, guys, it's simple. But you want to try, Papa?
Is it hot?
Take this one. Aspetta. Questo. Tieni. Ah? What you think? Ah? Che cosa ne pensi? Guys, the Torresmo with my little man is this. Super nice, very tasty, easy, and don't forget, if you like, share this video with friends, subscribe to the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com, and if you like, of course, finger up and follow us always. Ciao!